traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, November 22nd. I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the US dollar CAD, I did change up my analysis a little bit. Me and the members actually put our heads together yesterday, and I think this is actually a WXY, 3 waves down, 3 waves up, 1, 2, 3 waves down for a wave Y. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. So basically it's the same type of analysis. I mean, I think this first impulsive down right here is the A. This is all part of a wave B, a wave C, a wave D, and then we're going to go down for the wave E of wave Y. Definitely seems like it makes sense. Going down to the daily time frame. Now, if this really is a wave C and we get like a break of structure or a significant lower high, then that probably would be the end of this correction and a big downtrend to the downside for the final wave of that big wave Y that I was showing on the monthly time frame. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. Now, we really can't confirm that it is definitely going down. We may just be in a correction to the last wave up. So we have to be cautious of that. I mean, if it does end up making 3 waves down and then impulsive up at a fib level, we have to keep in mind that it definitely could continue the uptrend very easily. Taking it all the way down to the 1 hour time frame. Kind of looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down on the 1 hour. I would assume that this is either an A or a 1. It looks to me like this is impulsive up, 3 waves down, impulsive up to the 50% Fibonacci retracement. Kind of seems like this is a B or a 2, which means that it's likely this is going to go down for either a C, which would probably go down to a fib level and then bounce back up, or it's going to be a wave 3, which a wave 3 would just keep on making lower lows, lower highs, all part of potentially that big turn to the downside that we've been waiting for on the much higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.